Kenya has faced a prolonged period of economic challenges, significantly impacting microeconomic performance at grassroots level. The trend has continued this year. Many of our enterprises are closing, downsizing, or relocating to neighboring countries due to the high cost of doing business. In contrast, input and purchase that fosters innovation, entrepreneurship, and investment. This includes providing access to capital, promoting market competitiveness, streamlining regulatory processes, and offering incentives for growth and expansion. These are measures which are crucial for unlocking the full potential of our economy in this region and ensuring that economic growth translates into tangible improvements in the quality of ordinary Kenyans who we know are suffering today. The Federation is deeply concerned about the suffering of Kenyans and that Kenyans have nowhere to go when they need medical.
So that you can club, if we move from the community practice, prepare as members who have sat here and make sure that they have. Let this gentleman from Borussia Sacco come over here to cross for us.
Na togethi na mbere